Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing from a new company, well, new to me. The company is called Look Fantastic, and they actually sent me 2 boxes. They sent me their beauty box, which I will show you guys last. And they also sent me, whoa, it almost fell. And they also sent me this special box. This is a skincare box, and this was in collaboration with Eve Lom. Am I saying that right? I had never heard of this company before, but I looked it up and apparently you can buy it at Sephora. It's a high-end skincare company, and yeah, I'll just show you what came in this box. Unfortunately, this box is no longer available. It is sold out, so that's a bummer, but I did just want to show you guys what I got in here. Okay, so opening it up, it's very nice looking. What does it say on here? It says, "Where radiance begins." Okay, so the first thing is a muslin cleansing cloth. Looks like this. Contains there's 3 cloths in here. That's nice. Is it bad I want to use these as burp cloths? They're super soft, so yeah, I think I might use those as burp cloths. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, next is the rescue mask. There is that. Okay, next we have a moisture mask. Again, I don't know what these products, ooh, that's like jelly. Doesn't have a scent. There's that. I have a kiss mix. What's a kiss mix? I'm gonna have to open this one. This is a rich glossy treatment that helps to moisture and protect tender lips. Use on its own or over lipstick for added allure. Kiss mix. Oh, it's just like a balm. No scent. Kind of weird, no scent. Okay, next we have the brightening cream. And then, I'm not gonna open that. Oh, focus camera. And then we have the cleanser cream. So yeah, that is everything that is in the Look Fantastic collaboration with Eve Lom skincare box. I'm super excited to try out all these products. I'll definitely update you guys and let you guys know what I think about these products. If you guys have tried this brand, comment down below and let me know, because like I said, I never heard of them. I had to look it up, but apparently you can buy it at Sephora, so hey, right. Let's get into the beauty box. So this is actually their birthday box. Apparently Look Fantastic is celebrating a birthday. Look Fantastic birthday box. Oh, this was the September 2018 box. I'm a little late doing this video, but you know, I had a baby 3 weeks ago, so I think I got an excuse. Okay, so this is the birthday edition. Oh, so they are celebrating their 4th birthday of this box. There are 6 amazing beauty treats this month that are all well worth celebrating. Okay, so then it just shows the products, I think. Yeah, it talks about the products. Oh, there's a little gift guide in here. Make your own mocktail. Let them eat cake. There's ingredients on a cake. And then that drink looks really good. This is what inside the box looks like. Okay, first thing is from Mane and Tail. This is the Hoof Maker hand and nail therapy. I didn't know Mane and Tail made like a hand stuff. Like, I've used their shampoo and conditioner before. Oh my gosh, this is protects against nail damage and helps maintain strong and flexible nails. Oh, I'm excited for this. Oh, something from Eve Lom. This is a cleanser. Is this what I got? Like the bigger cleanser? I'm not sure. Yeah, cleanser cream. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. Well, I will definitely be saving this and giving this away to someone, because I don't need a full size and a little travel size. I mean, maybe I do. Maybe it's that amazing that I do. I want to keep it. Maybe. Okay, next we have, it looks like another cleansing cloth. Okay, I'm definitely using one of these as a burp cloth. Totally. What is this? Swizzle's Giant Parma Violets. Delicately perfumed violet sweets? What? Oh my gosh, they do smell. What is this? I need to look in this book. What? My camera's gonna die. Not in here. It's not in here. Yep. It's not in here. I don't know what those are. I'm gonna have to look it up and see, like, if you can actually eat them. Like, I don't know. I mean, there's nutrition facts on here, so I'm assuming you can. Okay, I had to get a new battery for my camera. Next is a product from Lord & Berry. This is the strobing pencil. Looks like this. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Can you see? That's really pretty. Next is from Amorovixa. Sure, it is the Ultra More Mud Mask. Detox, cleanse, and revive your skin with this mask that works to purify, energize, and define the contours of your face. I'm not gonna attempt to pronounce that brand again, but this is what it looks like. A little baby mud mask. Okay, and the last thing is the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Gel. We're gonna have a visitor in a second. Hello. What are you doing? The Revive Morning Bath. Make your bath or shower time even better with this luxurious, oh, I can smell it. Ooh, add a capful to the warm water or bath or massage onto torso. Okay, so my thoughts on this box, you know, it's all right. I'm really excited to try this hoof maker stuff. Yeah, like I said, I didn't know Mane and Tail made products other than hair stuff. Did not know that. The cleanser I already have, as well as the burp cloth, or aka the cleansing cloth. But I am going to use this as the burp cloth, like totally. And then depending on whether or not I like the big one, I might give this away or I might keep it for myself. It might be that amazing. This bath oil, I will definitely try once I'm able to take a bath again, because I'm still a couple weeks postpartum. Mud mask, definitely will use. I will definitely try out this strobing pencil. Oops, there's another product. This guy was hiding. This is the Philip Kinsley Elasticizer Intense Super Conditioning Pre-Shampoo Treatment. Pre-shampoo treatment. Adds elasticity and manageability, bounce, and shine. For best results, use regularly. Before shampooing wet hair and applying sections, working the hair with fingertips. Cover with a plastic cap and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. I'm excited to try this guy out. So I got 7. Didn't they say I'd get 6? I got 7 things because I got this. Yeah, that's 7 things. Maybe they don't count the burp cloth as an item because it's not like listed in the book. I think it's like with any subscription service, you need to get a couple boxes before you can like truly make up your mind as to whether or not it's worth it. If you guys are interested in this box, I'll have more info as well as a link down below. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.